Thank you for joining Enhancing Body and Mind. Today, we will do a mindfulness exercise to help you control destructive thinking. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Begin by taking a deep breath in through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill completely, and then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension you may be holding. With each breath, feel your body becoming more relaxed, more grounded, and more at peace. Continue breathing deeply, inhaling calmness and exhaling any stress, negativity, or discomfort. Let your breath become a tool of release, a gentle flow that brings you into the present moment. Now, bring your awareness to your mind. Simply observe the thoughts that are present without judgment or attachment. Notice if any thoughts feel harsh, self-critical, or fear-based. These thoughts may seem loud or persistent, but remember that you do not have to engage with them. Like clouds drifting across the sky, these thoughts will pass if you allow them to. You are not your thoughts. You are the observer, the one who can choose how to respond to them. If you notice a destructive thought that has a strong grip on your mind, gently ask yourself, is this thought true? Does this thought help me grow or bring me peace? Or does it cause me harm? Allow yourself to answer these questions honestly, and as you do, remind yourself that thoughts are temporary. They are like waves in the ocean, sometimes large and powerful, but always passing. You do not need to hold on to them. With each exhale, feel yourself releasing any attachment to these thoughts, letting them float away like leaves on a stream. Now imagine that these destructive thoughts are simply floating by, no longer holding power over you. Visualize them as leaves gently drifting down a stream, carried away by the current. With each breath, you let go of any negative or self-limiting beliefs, replacing them with thoughts that nurture and empower you. To help you shift your thinking, silently repeat these affirmations in your mind. I am in control of my thoughts. I am worthy of peace. I release negativity and embrace calm. I am safe and I am enough. With each affirmation, allow the words to fill you up, replacing fear and doubt with love and compassion for yourself. Breathe deeply into these affirmations, feeling them settle into your heart and mind, creating a sense of calm and clarity. As you continue breathing, notice how your body feels lighter, as though the weight of destructive thoughts has been lifted. Feel the space you've created in your mind open and free, ready to be filled with peace, strength, and positivity. Remember, you have the power to choose your thoughts, to release the ones that bring you peace and joy. Now gently bring your awareness back to the room. Begin to wiggle your fingers and toes, becoming more aware of your body. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing with you the calm and clarity that you have cultivated. Take a moment to express gratitude for the time you've dedicated to yourself, and carry this sense of peace with you as you move through your day, knowing that you are capable of controlling your thoughts and embracing a mindset that supports your well-being.